I have a churro. That's how your uncle's gonna be. Right there, Chris.
No.
Don't wind up like that. We're gonna go see some people we know. Some people you probably know. Oh wow, look at this. Oh, this is kind of nice. I guess they're asleep. Alright, walk in. There it is. Oh my goodness.
That's a good investment. Yeah.
Okay, so there's his brothers over there. Kind of hard to catch him with the glare, but here's some guys. He's a little bit smaller. Where'd he go? We're going to sit up there. They're not really up to much today. And here's the statues. Alright. So they have a lot of press pennies in this zoo. They have a lot to choose from. Here's this. And they have these medallions. I've never gotten these. I think these are $5. Yeah. Look at that guy. These look like
You guys want to keep running around?
some of the girls at the bar at 4 a.m. Oh my gosh. Not very attractive, but tasty. Look at that. I don't remember where we were at. I don't know if you all do. You remember there were like donkey zebras or something? There were like half. Was it in Wonder World or? OMG. This is where I need to get my new phone. A new camera. Look at that guy. God, dog. Them horns are crazy. Well, he can hold his head up. He's got like the strongest neck. And yesterday we barbecued. Now I want to barbecue a brisket. I know. Poor cow. Oh, that's more than longhorn. I don't know what the hell it is.
Phonetic pronunciation.
Who is this little guy? He is tiny. Who is he? It's not a hippo. He's itchy. It itches. He's a little bitty. You get over here, man.
Right there. He's right there, Daddy.
Okay.
Where's the hippo eating, Daddy? Hi, hippo. Hi, hippo. Do you eat the grass? Yeah. I eat grass. Bye, bye, bye.
Oh, happy hippo.
Look at Sing. Sing's not there.
Let me see.
Oh, it's a little baby. I can't get over the fence. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. You stay there. You go over that there fence and you go. You stay. Save me money on groceries. That's right. Eat. Eat for my camera.